Hello everyone. So in this session we are going to see about scaling function. So let's take a scaling instruction first. You can find the scaling instruction in advanced math. You can find SCP, that is scale with parameters. So what exactly the scale with parameters will do? Just look at the parameter list. It is having input minimum, input max, scaled minimum, scaled maximum. It is like scaling function, no? So whatever input you are giving, according to the input range, it will convert that to the scaled value, right? For example, you have 0 to 10 as the input. It may be any number between 0 to 10. The same 0 to 10 should be seen in a scaled value like 0 to 100. In that case, input minimum and maximum is 0 to 10. Scaled minimum and max is 0 to 100. Right? So you can see some input value to the scaled value, right, by using this instruction. So let's take one more example. Let's take a level controller. Fine. So you are having a tank. You are going to control the level in a tank. So for that you are placing a level transmitter, and when the level value is 50, or when the level value is below 20, you need to turn on the pump, right? So valve of the pump, I mean the valve which is giving water inside the tank, no, that will be changing according to the range. For example, if the level is below 20, the valve should completely open. Fine, the control valve should be completely open. So when the tank is getting filled, I mean it reached 50, the valve should partially open. So it is not like before. It was completely open, no? Like completely 100% open. Right? Now it should be 50% open. When the tank level is reached 75, it should be 25% open. When the tank level is 100, it should be 0% open. Okay, that means it is completely closed indirectly. Okay, so this is the example. So for this, in a ladder logic program, we need to compare, correct? We need to compare our tank value. Oh, when it is 20, we should be completely open. We need to send a signal for that as an analog output. Same, 50% open means we need to give, 50% open when the tank value is 50. When the tank value is 75, like that, here we need to use the comparator functions. Correct? So for that comparator function in the ladder logic, we cannot give 4 to 20 milliamps directly. For that, you need to do the scaling function. So let's take level transmitter value as N7:0. Fine. So this is the value which is coming from field. This should be any value between or from 4 to 20 milliamps. So input minimum should be 4 and input maximum should be 20, right? And scaled minimum should be 0 and scaled maximum should be 32767. Got it? And output will be another integer address. Fine. So let's check for errors. Go for download. Right? Just go for online. So first check your level transmitter is giving 4. That means what? Your tank level is 0. When your tank level is 0, your transmitter value should be 4. So that time your scaled output is also 0 because you have scaled up to 32767, no? So when your transmitter value is slowly increasing, let it be 6. So your scaled value is 4096. Correct? So when your transmitter value is 12, that means 50% of the water, it is 16384. Fine. So let's note down this number in some place. One 16384. Right? Right. Fine. So now when it is 16, it is 24575. 24575. This is 75%. Okay. So when it is 20, it will be obviously giving 32767. Correct. So this is the scaled one. Fine. So why I have noted the number for 12 and 75 means I'll just tell. So just go for offline. Now you are writing a program for that level controller. Okay. So in this, let's take a comparator. So in this comparator, you are having, let's take greater than, let's take a limit test. Okay. So in this, your output should be N7:1. So this is the one which you are going to compare. Okay. That should be this value. Let's take this 16384. 16384. Just type 16384. Fine. And this, and here you can just give, which is maybe the value of 9, 10 or 8. It may be, just give some random value which should be below to this. I'll just give 12,000. Let's take like this. Okay. When this is the case, you are turning on some output, and this output is like val 50% open, like that you are giving. Okay. So you are giving some indication. So just go for online. Just turn on this. Now check, just give 4 or 5. So it is giving this value. Okay. So that in this case, the val may be 100% open. You can write one more limit test and you can write like that. So now just give 9 or 8, 9. Okay. Still it is not reached our 12,000. So let's give 10. Yeah, it is reached 12. Okay. So that means what? In this case, your val should be 50% open. So like that, by using this PLC number, you can able to do the comparator function. Okay. So this is what I have told. You can process this. Fine. So same thing for 0 to 6,000. You can give val 100% open. So 6,000 to 12,000, you can give the val is 75% open. Like that you can give. Right. So let's do that also. Copy and paste this, and here you just type when it is 0 to 6,000. Okay. And just change the address, which is 100% open. Right. 100% open. Yeah, it will be changing when it goes to online. So just go for one more paste, and here just give 60012 some 11,000. Let's take 11,000. Okay. So in this, you are giving 75% open. Just take one more different output. Here you are giving 75% open. Fine. Got it? So now let's go for online. Fine. So now the value was 0, no? So it is 100% open. Now give 5. So still it is 100% open. You can see here. Yeah. Now give some value like 8. I think it is still 100% open because the value is, I think we have not turned on the run condition. Let's turn on that so that it will get update. Yeah. Can you see now it is 75% open because it is, the value is above 6,000, right, and below 11,000. So when you give above 12, let's give 12 exactly, it's 50% open. Like that you can give for 25% open and completely 0% open also you can give, right? So this is the way to use the SCP. Just practice this in a software. Like that you can convert from 0 to 3 to 767 to 4 to 20 milliamps as the output scaling function. You can do like that also, or you can go with 3 to 15 psi. You can give. So input scaling function is also there, output scaling function is also there. So just practice this in a software. I'll meet you in the next session. Bye.